everyone, today we're going to have a quick video for you. This is the last of the Wilson Bohannons I bought when I bought the 3 of them and unboxed them for you. And then I want to deliver a little bit of a verdict. Frankly, I'm fairly disappointed with them. I mean, they've got nice heavy brass bodies, heavy steel shackles, strong spring tension on the core. Even on this one, a fairly decent bitting. But it's really disappointing how easy these are to get into. Actually, let me go with the bottom of the keyway tension. Let's get in here, click off 2 and open. So yeah, I touched pin 1, pushed pin 2, and I got it open. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a fail in my book on the part of the Wilson Bohannon Lock Company. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Go back down. So the price you pay on these locks, $8, $10, $12. If you're going to spend that much on a lock that's this easy to open, just go buy a master lock. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe.